guys! Welcome to our quarantine quiz. Join me today as we solve common math questions we encounter in several examinations such as Civil Service Exam, UST Scholarship, UPCAT, Psychological Tests, etc. I believe this might come out in your next examinations to take, maybe for employment, for work promotion, or college entrance exam. So let's start. A common math question in examination is this. Convert 0.81818181 and so on to a fraction. 0.81818181 and so on is called a repeating decimal. So to solve that, we remember algebra, wherein we assign x as the repeating decimal. Here, we follow a 5-step process. Step 1. Let x be the repeating decimal we are trying to convert to a fraction. Step 2. Check carefully which digit or digits is or are repeating. Step 3. Put the repeating digit or digits to the left of the decimal point. Step 4. Put the repeating digit or digits to the right of the decimal point. Step 5. Using the two equations in Step 3 and Step 4, subtract the left sides of the two equations. Then, subtract the right sides of the two equations. As you subtract, just make sure that the difference is positive for both sides. Now, let's practice this process using our example. Convert 0.81818181 and so on to a fraction. Step 1. Let x be the repeating decimal we are trying to convert to a fraction. X is equal to 0.8181 and so on. Step 2. Check carefully which digit or digits is or are repeating. The repeating digit here is 81. Step 3. Put the repeating digit or digits to the left of the decimal point. Technically, moving a decimal point 2 places to the right is done by multiplying the decimal number by 100. When you multiply one side by a number, you have to multiply the other side by the same number to keep the equation balanced. Thus, 100x is equal to 81.818181 and so on. Step 4. Put the repeating digit or digits to the right of the decimal point. Look at the equation in Step 1 again. In this example, the repeating digit is already to the right, so there is nothing else to do. Hence, x is equal to 0.818181 and so on. Step 5. Using the two equations in Step 3 and Step 4, subtract the left sides of the two equations. Then, subtract the right sides of the two equations. Remember, as you subtract, make sure that the difference is positive for both sides. Now, our equations are 100x is equal to 81.818181 and so on, and x is equal to 0.818181 and so on. So, 100x minus x is equal to 81.818181 and so on minus 0.818181 and so on. That yields 99x is equal to 81. Divide both sides by 99, so that's x is equal to 81 over 99. Simplifying further the fraction, x is equal to 9 over 11. So in fraction, 0.818181 and so on is equal to 9 over 11. Answer this. So that's the end of our first quarantine quiz. Please put your answer in the comment section below. Should you have any thoughts on how to improve this channel, I'd love to hear your suggestions. For those of you who have already subscribed, thank you and thank you for listening and learning with me. I hope to see you in our next quarantine quiz videos. Thank you.